In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Anaconda 3 on your PC. You want to go to this website. A link will be provided in the description. So I'm in this website and I'm going to click here, re-download, skip registration, and then it should automatically detect your operating system. So for me, it's Windows, and I'm going to hit download. It's a large file. So for me, it's showing 151 MB. So it's gonna take a minute, but I've already downloaded it before. So I'm just going to run the installer. Once it's downloaded, go to your downloads folder and run the installer. Here's my installer. Click next. I agree to the terms and conditions. Just me. So it's gonna say ask for a destination folder. Keep it the same unless you have to change it. Change one paste. Create shortcuts. Yes. I don't know. No. Register as default. Okay. Here's that. Install. Now that it's launched, I'm going to cancel this. So we're going to scroll down here. There's our Jupyter lab. We don't need that. We need our Jupyter notebook. So press launch. There. So now we can open up our markdown documents. So now I've downloaded my Jupyter notebook and you can access it. So this provides a graphical user interface to be able to edit and run code. So if I press Ctrl Enter, there it runs. So yeah, that's how you download, install, and set up Anaconda 3 and launch Jupyter notebook.